Dear parents, in the current situation of COVID-19, as the schools reopening is a big question, and in this current scenario, and the normal brain is missing the interaction with the environment, the real school environment is missing, the interaction with peer groups is missing, the one-to-one conversation in the school environment is missing, playing with the peer group on the open grounds, the interactions between different ages of children, everything is missing. And in such situation, it's not about academics, but the brain needs more stimulation from the environment. And to provide such environmental learning, BrainNext is there to help, as BrainNext is designed on the basis of different cognitive domain exercises that provides lot of environmental knowledge and interaction sitting at home. BrainNext memory and cognitive exercises have been used for normal population from 1st standard to 4th standard with pre-primary classes. More than 1,000 children have been assessed with BrainNext exercises, and children have enjoyed the cognitive exercises in the school. The exercises we take giving a time duration for normal children, and in the schools we also could assess the children processing capacity, understanding slow learners in each standard. So we have seen normal children gaining lot of interest in their academics when we gave them these exercises in the schools, and children have gained lot of interest in their regular academic sessions because they could understand the concepts, mainly numerical and alphabetical foundation has seemed to be stronger for this normal population. There are 18 sets in BrainNext, and all of these sets have seemed to be useful for normal population. We have different levels of exercises in each set. BrainNext exercises have been developed on a strong research foundation between 2011 to 15, studying lot of population, children to elderly. It has also been awarded national and global awards for innovation. It has also been recognized by Indian Academy of Neurology with the first ever title of Neuro Rehabilitation Innovation of the Year. A single set can be purchased. There is information booklet with each set that gives step-by-step information about how to use each sheet given in that set. The information booklet is in English, but the English is extremely simple that anyone can read and apply. Some sets sheets are made by cloth and other material, especially for fine motor developments. All of the tools are locally developed, so they are extremely affordable, safe and durable. You can refer to our BrainNext catalog, which is available on Amazon. All the sets description along with photographs is given, and with the applicability for special groups, also normal children and elderly, mentioning the age groups and also the clinical significance. Or you can connect with us, you can send an email or call on our numbers given on the website. Also we have a toll-free number which is 1800-266-4161 if you need more information to purchase BrainNext tools. We can suggest whatever exercises your children would need. You can have single set at a time because we have dedicated exercise sets for numerical, different for alphabetical, also other for spatial understanding, and making all of the cognitive compartments of a normal brain and to strengthen the normal brain capacity in different cognitive domains. So it has been extremely useful for normal children. So in this current situation and the situations coming in near future, the child will not lose the interest in the basics of academics. Rather, the child would develop more capacity for thinking, for solving problems in a different way and efficiently. BrainNext exercises for normal children for brain stimulation can also be taken as sessions. We have 2 weekly sessions which is extremely affordable, and it can be taken for 1 hour for different cognitive domain stimulation. BrainNext tools are very safe to use because they are made from acrylic sheets and laminated paper sheets. Lot of support material is also provided with each set. You can check on our website, all details have been given along with our regular neuro rehab program. Also you can connect with us through our email if you wish to purchase the entire BrainNext sets. So contact us today on the given numbers. Take a look at our website to know more about BrainNext and how these exercises work.